Okay. Oh, we gaan eerst wat drinken.
One more, yeah?
Ja?
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Dit zijn kleine pannenkoekjes van rijst. En wat erop zit is palmsuiker met kokos.
Balinese people, they love different, everything different. Yeah. This is all of the first ingredient that we will cook today. On the first page, this is the galangal with skin and without skin. This is the normal ginger, and this is the turmeric or curcuma, and this is the lesser galangal or sweet ginger or aromatic ginger. Okay, and next, normal ginger.
Yeah.
Everybody knows ginger.
Yeah.
You can make a tea with the ginger, coffee with the ginger. If you want to get mild taste of the ginger, you can just smash the ginger, adding into your coffee or tea.
This is the sweet. This is the, yeah.
Wat is dat, Grey?
Dit is gember.
Clean everything inside and it's very good for internal problem. And then you can just boil, blend it, this turmeric, and then boil it. Shallot, garlic, big chili. Don't worry, this chili not spicy. Spring onion, green bean or string bean, normal lime, and also kaffir lime leaf. So we're using a lot kaffir lime leaf into the food.
Ice cube tray.
Ice cube, yeah, making small portion like ice cube. Then you can keep it maximum 1 month.
All right.
For you, but we still whiting. The shredded coconut for you, but we still whiting the yellow.
I remain to be convinced.
So after you cooking here, I guarantee 100% you will love it.
Okay, we
yeah.
trust you.
So, yeah, but this vegetable we need to peel the skin first. We need to wash it properly because it comes to Bali. This is our blender.
Yeah.
To making the peanut sauce, we need candle nut. Candle nut, which is you can substitute using macadamia. And then we need the lesser galangal or sweet ginger. If you couldn't find lesser galangal, better skip it. Okay, and so we need to crush the hot part first. After you crushing the peanut until it become little bit smooth like this, we need to boil it again. We need to add palm sugar syrup, sweet soya sauce or ketchup manis, and salty soya sauce. Yeah, and also the kaffir lime. We boil it. Yeah, just a few drops of the kaffir lime, and the taste is so yummy.
Naar de bereiding gaan we.
Yeah, soaking the rice 5 minutes, and then after that, strain, and steam it here 15 minutes with the hot water in the bowl. After 15 minutes, we take out the rice, put it in a bowl, and then straight away soak it with the hot water from the bowl to become softer, because the first time the rice still very hard.
Wait.
So this is the Balinese knife.
Yeah, it's very big knife.
Because we have a lot of inquiry for the big group.
Yeah.
So that why
Sue.
Don't mind the neighbors.
I know the neighbours. Sue, I better capture this one.
I think we need